Hello and welcome to Simon Tech Notes. My name is Christian and I'm part of the technical support team here. In this video, we'll be going over recipe editor within UltimateAccess. For starters, I'm going to open up Simon D and I will be talking to a real PLC, which is the PLCS from Simon. As you can see, I've configured it here within IO devices. And I'm going to be talking to some D registers. And then I'm in the database and I've created 10 tags D00 through D09, and we will see that those tags get updated in the runtime. So the recipe editor can be found here. So if I go here, you've already seen I have created a recipe model, but go ahead and put in a name, choose a location to store your recipe model. I recommend the project folder, it just keeps everything nice and clean. And then go ahead and put something in your field names. These are not the tags themselves. Don't get confused by how I have put them here, but just for simplistic purposes, this is the name of the field. So this could be milk, butter, eggs, what have you. And then the actual tag values themselves go in the group. So that's what you would do. You would add a group and then that's where the tag values are placed. Once you have configured a basic model, you go ahead and press add model, and then your model should appear on the left. So then we should be good to go after I've created that. And then we'll go into the runtime and show how simple it is to use. So I'm going to open up my tags right here. As we can see, I already have some numbers populated in those tags. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then I want to show this real quick. These are the instructions that you would use with recipe. These are command expressions that you can use with buttons to bring up your recipe interface and start changing the numbers as you go. So the one I'm going to be displaying is the basic one, recipe dialog. The rest of them are pretty intricate and not meant for this video, but you can use them and they are here for your reference with the description to the right. If you go to the help file and you type recipe in, you will see the command expressions. And then if you click on the command expression itself, it will give an example. It'll tell you how to use it. And then you can try it in your own project. But we're just going to do recipe dialog. So let me put this out for now. I'm going to go to work, command window, type in recipe dialog. And then as you can see, this little interface shows up. So this will interface with the tags over here. So I'm going to go ahead and change these. Let me fix that real quick. So let's put some different numbers in here. And then when I press right, it's going to put those values over here into here. So say that you like these assortment of numbers. You want to save that as a recipe. So you press save, and then you can name it something like ingredient list 1. And then you press OK. You can give it a description if you want. And then say you need some more numbers. So I'm just going to change it by a little bit. And then I'm going to save that as ingredient list 2. And then I'm going to press OK. So now I have 2 different recipes. So I have these and say I want to load that one. All right, well, let's go ahead and press right. So those values will get stored into the PLC. Now your PLC is committing to that ingredient list. But say now you want to use ingredient list 2, or you want to use ingredient list 1. So when you click on ingredient list 1, different numbers will populate, the ones that you chose before. And then now you can just press right, and then that gets stored into the PLC's memory. That is the basics of using the recipe editor. Thank you for watching.